I've already washed my face before, but I'm just showing you. So I've gone ahead to deeply cleanse my face with my micellar water to sit in for too long. So I'm taking my CeraVe, just taking small portion. I'm taking a small portion because this my CeraVe, this one particular one I bought is quite heavy. So I'm just going to be taking really small portion, but you can buy the moisturizing lotion, is much more lightweight, but I think I like heavyweight products, so I went for this rather than the moisturizing lotion. But because I'm going to be applying my makeup on top of it, so I do not want so much product on my face, I just applied in fact, small pea size. I'll make sure your skin is really, really hydrated, so the product can easily spread in and you don't get to apply so much, because if you apply so much, you may just get sweaty, because like I said, it is really, it's a heavy product. Okay, you can literally feel it on your skin when you apply much, so just apply little. Now for oily skin, type, if you're going for a moisturizer, I'll suggest you go for a hydrating water-based moisturizer. Do not go for an oil-based moisturizer, because you'll be doing yourself more harm than good. You're just going to break out into, you're going to break out into sweat. You're going to be oily. Okay, so go for hydrating moisturizers like this particular one. I won't suggest oily skins to go for it, no. But because I kind of have a combination skin, but more prone to dryness, so that is why I go for this, because it keeps my skin really, really moisturized. So go for a water-based moisturizer. If you found this video helpful, do well to like this video, do well to click the subscribe button, and do well to turn on your notification icon, so when I post a new video, you are going to be the first to see it. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. I love you. Bye.